2, 3.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be explaining the dance step by step and with the counts. And don't worry because this tutorial is mirrored, so feel free to follow me. If I'm speaking too fast or too slow, you can adjust the speed of the video in the YouTube settings. If you want to practice with the music, check the link in the description. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. And if you're ready, let's get started. So now I'll be teaching the rap verse, the part of Us Against the World, okay? So the first 8 counts are 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So for this part, we'll be facing the back, but for you guys to understand better, I'll be facing the front. So for this part, we'll be twerking for 6 counts. So take your hips down, 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 down 6 times. Then your pinkies are going to follow. Take your pinkies, okay, to the back, left and right pinky to the back, and you're going to take your pinkies down. Like every time you go down, your pinkies are also going down, okay? So just follow your pinkies with the movement. So you're going to go down, 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 okay? 6 times. Now, in this part, we have to move like in a circle from right to left to right again. So not only staying in your place, but going from right, okay, to left. Take your pinkies to the back. You're going to twerk on the right side. Your knees are not bent, they're straight. Twerk on the right, then go down, bend your knees, okay, on the right side, like this. So you're going right, knees are straight, then again, but now knees are bent on 2, then on 3 again, and you're gonna twerk, but down, and one more time on 4. Now twerk to the left side. So we did right, down, down, left, okay? One more time, right, down, down, left. Now twerk in your place, looking straight, body's like this, straight, on 5, and then on 6, now twerk again to the right side. So one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have to end up putting all your weight on your right hip on 6. So we started on 6, end up on 6 on the right side. One more time. Us against the world, shaking us in the, okay, that's part. Now looking to the back, remember your pinkies are going down, up, okay? So face the back, your body is facing the back, but your face is facing to the front. So like kind of twist your body, okay, to the front. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay? On 6, then 7, 8. You know, turn around and step with your right foot on 7. So 6, 7, 8. Okay, on 8th step, and then imagine you're being handcuffed. Okay, put your left and right hand into fist, and imagine you're being handcuffed in front of your face like this. So from 6, 7, 8, legs out. Okay, one more time from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After this, the next 8 counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. So for this part, I will explain the upper body first. Take your fist, twist it so that your right is in front of your left. So from here, right fist in front, left fist at the back, then again, twist. Now left is in the front, right at the back, and then twist again, right in the front, left in the back. One more time, the last time. Now twist again, and left is in front, right at the back. So from here on 1. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, right, left. End up with the left. So now for the lower body, take your right knee in, out. Now your left, in, out. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's repeat all together. Right, left, right, left. This is for the first 4 counts. So after doing 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we go. If we get arrested, ha ha. So when Daniela is laughing, ha ha, take your 2 hands to your mouth like this, to your mouth, and laugh, ha ha. You're gonna go, and 5. So head to the right, left. Okay, then baby laugh it off. So after we go, ha ha, on and 5, we're gonna go 6, 7, 8. Take your left hand to your head like this. Your head is still slightly tilted to the left. And you're going to take this right hand and go up, up. Okay? Up, up. And while doing so, your right hip is going up, up. Okay? Like bend your knee in and take your hip up, up. So, ha, ha, baby, laugh it off. Okay? One more time, this part from here. If we get arrested, ha ha, baby, laugh it off. Now let's repeat with count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. So this was the end of Daniela's verse. Let's repeat from Us Against the World, okay? So from 5, 6 to the back, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done. Now let's go to Sophia's part. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. After going laugh it off on 7, 8, we're gonna go 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. We just did laugh it off. Take this right hand from here, like going out, like your palm is out. Take your palm out, okay, forward. Take it forward to join it with Sophia's hand. To grab Sophia's hand, take your palm up. So from here, so your right hand, grab Sophia's hand, okay, and like lean forward. It's my body, lean forward. Then this left hand that was resting on your head is gonna go to your left hip. So take it to your left hip. Okay, so from here, left. And on 1, 2. Baby, laugh it off. I love you. Okay, I love you. You love me. From here, hand is still grabbing Sophia's hand, but your left hand is gonna go to your chest. So take it to your chest and twist your body so your left foot is stepping forward like this. Take out your right hip. So from here, you love, so I love you, you love me. 5, 6, this left hand that was here, take it out, out, and to the left side like this. And your hands are going to be joined together, but with your pinky up. Take your fingers together, but your left pinky is up. Okay? So from you love me, we bad shit. Okay? Your pinky is up and you're grabbing Sophia's hand. And your hip is twisted. Okay? So we did from the beginning, baby, laugh it off. I love you. You love me. We bad shit. Okay, from here, we. Okay, so from here, we're gonna go we. So take this hand with your pinky up, remember, and touch, touch, okay, to the right, right. And like also like lean forward and look at your partner, Sophia, and out again. So we and hand is going out. Remember, you're still grabbing Sophia's hand. So from the beginning, baby, laugh it off. I love you. You love me. We bad shit. We. Now the last count after going we and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Take this left hand down and now take your right fist and go out. Okay, we're gonna go out, so we'll be facing the right side with your right knee bent like this. So 1, 2. On 2, take your right gun. Okay, take it up next to your mouth. Your left hand is gonna touch your left hip like this. So we 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Take your gun out, point it to the right. Okay, so 3, 4. Okay, and 5, 6. Take your right hand, brush your hair. Okay, so like this. Your left hand is still touching your hip. So from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the beginning, we 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Take after doing 5, 6. Take this hand and from here take it out. Like aggressively take it out. Your left hand, sorry, is still touching your hip and out. Okay, and when you go out, your body is also going down with your right leg is up, left knee is touching the floor. Your head is also going out like this, and with your right hand touch your right knee. Okay, not fist anymore. Now touch your right hip, your right knee. So from here out. Okay, now let's repeat from the beginning. From here, so we and I kill for you if we got that deep. Now we count 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Well done. Now let's repeat from and 5. Haha. So and 5, 6, 7, 8. I love you. You love me. We bad shit. We and I kill them for you if we got that deep. So this was the end of the rap verse. Now we're going to practice with the counts, but before, make sure to watch this video. This is the dance break. I'm teaching the dance break step by step, really slowly. So after watching this video, you can go watch that. And 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.